Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video is going to be a tool haul video, more in particular a KC tool haul video, and more in particular than that, it is going to be a tool haul video from their free shipping weekend. So a few months ago, I made a post saying that KC Tool had their free shipping weekend. You know, normally you have to spend quite a bit of money with them in order to get free shipping. So times whenever you find something on their websites, it's like $5-6. Sometimes you're like, I'd like to have that, but I just can't get to that free shipping. I'm not going to pay $7 shipping to get me something that's going to cost me $5. So essentially everything in here are the few items that I got. Nothing is going to be just awesome to you. You know, they're just $4 or $5 items. One of these boxes was actually sent to me from Matt HMM. He bought something and sent it to me, so we're going to open that up as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get these out of the package. We'll check them out. I'll share with you why I got them, how much they cost, those kinds of things like that. And hopefully if they're useful to you, maybe you can go check them out as well. But let's go ahead and jump into it. So we'll start out with this black package here. Again, I know what I ordered, but I have no idea which package or those kinds of things. I do know that this is the package from Matt HMM. We'll open that last. Get the paperwork out of here. Then we'll get down into it itself. Make sure I get everything out. Everything's out of there. So here is a little booklet from them. Buy one, get one, equal or lesser value for free on the, I guess it's called Style Wow. I'm not sure how you say that one. Style Wow is how I'm going to say that. Buy one, get one, the seasonal KC tool. Bit of thanks. Got a Phillips there. And then here is the Vera. This is the 9550 hinge. This is part of their new tool checks. So it's not going to work on any of your older tool checks. But I went ahead and bought one just because I was curious. And that's why I have my little Vera advent calendar, you know, Tool Check Plus over here. This is the one that came with the Christmas advent calendar. Because essentially Vera has these new hinges. You can see, let's see how this works out. Yeah, see, so these kind of click over. But it looked like it would actually work on this one. So I decided I'd go ahead and buy it. This thing runs you, I think it was like $10.56. So I went ahead and ordered it. And I don't know how you get it particularly in there. Let's see how this would work. I'm not real sure. Somehow or other, I guess here we go. I didn't know if I didn't want to break anything. So then we'll slide this, I'm assuming, like so. Put this back in, if we can get her in there. Yeah, so basically it's a hinge to put another tool check on, but they're coming out with some of them where essentially you can kind of fold one all the way around. You can also add on some Allen keys, add on all sorts of things coming out with. So I was curious if this would go on here, and then for $54 I could go buy another one of these and kind of make a double Tool Check Plus. But in all reality, it doesn't kind of hinge all the way back around on itself. I was kind of wanting to flatten it out and make two kind of like a sandwich at this width right here instead of having a longer one and trying that out. But it doesn't look like it's going to do that. So not going to work out kind of how it intended, but we'll see over time if I find a use for it. So I don't think I'll buy another one of these to put onto that. But again, that was the idea behind it whenever I was looking at it. But that doesn't look like it's going to work. But they also sell, like, again, Allen key sets, some other stuff that you can click on here. And they also have one that doesn't hinge. They have some different sets that you can slide in here instead of this hinge thing as well. So $11.56, or I think that's what it was, $10.56 for this thing right here. It was the Vera hinge. I basically bought it as a trial basis to see how it was going to work with this, to see if I wanted to order another one of these. That's one of the things that I got during the free shipping. Now we'll move on to box number 2. Should be, I think, 3 things in this one, if I remember right. I wasn't sure if that one was even going to be here yet, because that one had a sold out, was going to ship later thing. But I was thinking, since I got 2 boxes, surely I did have it. Let's see how this opens. I'm just going to cut it over here. There we go. Finally opening it up there. Let's get the paperwork out. Same paperwork as before on that. I'll get out my receipt. Another, oh, that isn't a bit of thanks. That's the actual bit that I bought. That's some stuff I bought. Another bit of thanks. Phillips number 2, it looks like. So it's smart to actually do separate orders, you get yourself an extra bit of things. I actually ordered that, and then I was like, well, there's a few other things I'd like to get. I went ahead and went back and got those later. So let me get this box out of the way. That's everything out of that box. So one of the first things, this is Vera 16908 Harpoon ACR number 2. So this one I think overall was a 6-inch, if I remember right. I'll get a tape measure out after I get out of the package. But it's basically called a harpoon bit, and you'll see why after I get out of the package. Kind of does look like a harpoon. Let me get a tape measure. I think this one was a 6-inch, if I remember right. Yeah, so 6 inches overall. I bought this kind of just to put in my door box, door handle box and stuff like that, because there's certain door handles where a lot of times you can take the handle off to get access to the screws. And then sometimes I use that Apex bit that has the sleeve on it to keep myself from damaging the handle, but every now and then you just can't get in there no matter what. Now, a lot of times you can take the handle off. That's the best way to go. But in the times where I can't, that's kind of what I bought this for. I'll be able to put that in one of my Vessel electric screwdrivers. Very slim profile right there. I should hopefully be able to get that head in some places that I might not could get some other stuff. But that's why I went ahead and got a longer one. I think they've got a shorter one too that was a few bucks cheaper. I went ahead and bought the 6-inch ones because that's going to allow me to get definitely out past wherever that handle is to be able to get in there and get to that screw. So the Vera harpoon bit, next thing I bought on the free shipping weekend. Next thing I bought was from Pika. This is a Pika drive, and this is a scriber. I don't have any idea what that says. Some of you guys could probably tell me on that. But essentially it is a scribe tip that goes in any of your Pikas. It is a metal tip. So let me go ahead and get out of the package. So you would probably use this more so in metalwork than anything else, but you could obviously use it in, you know, woodwork and stuff like that as well. And it's something that you wouldn't have to sharpen very often. But essentially it's a piece of lead that is made of metal. So if we take a Pika pencil, it does say on the instructions to make sure and drop it from the top, not put it in through like this way. I don't know why you couldn't, but still going to work that way. It says to drop it in from the top, but I'm going to do it that way. That's how I would end up doing it in real life, so it works that way. But again, metal tip on there, so maybe you need to mark something metal. You know, works real well for that. And again, you're definitely going to be able to see that. Now you could get yourself like the silver tips and stuff like that that actually mark on it as well. But this is essentially kind of like a scratch all, but it is in your Pika pencil. Can you still use it on wood? Let me grab a little piece of wood over here. Yeah, so you could still use it for wood. You make yourself marks maybe for framing and stuff like that as well if you didn't want to sharpen and change out lead that much. I'm curious over time how long this tip will hold up if I was to use it for that. So maybe we'll see over time. Maybe that's how I end up using this, because I do more woodwork than I do metal work. But I just wanted to get one of these and try it. It cost $7.31. Again, something I wanted to try. Didn't want to pay shipping for it, but because Casey Tool had that free shipping weekend, I went ahead and picked one of these up. And then the last thing that I picked up before I get into what Matt bought me is some of the Knipex 8709 180 V01s. Essentially, they are the jaw grip, the jaw protectors for the Knipex Cobra 180s. I haven't had any of these, and the 180s are my favorite size by far. And I've already got the pliers wrench version for the 180, but I didn't have any of the Cobras. So I decided I was going to pick up a pair of these, which it actually comes with 3 pairs for, I think it was $11.14. That's not a bad price, but again, free shipping. That made it to where I ended up buying them. I wouldn't have bought them in order unless I just so happen to have some other stuff in my cart. But again, I keep the jaw protectors for my pliers wrench up here in my SBLD as well, but now I'll keep a pair of the 180s for the Cobras. So let's see how these slide on there. Just like so. Seems like they fit pretty nice. So now if I'm wanting to use some jaw protectors on something that maybe isn't so flat, or maybe it would be better for me to have this right here, because with the jaw protectors on the pliers wrench, sometimes if you're working on a round surface, say like an aerator, shire, something like that, you know, I put those on and I use this because I didn't have them for these, but this would definitely be a better option for that. So now I'll have a pair of these as well to have in my bag for whenever I want to use them. And again, I'll just keep them right up there with the with the pliers wrench version as well in my SP SPMC. I think I called that my SPLD, my SPMC. So the jaw protectors, the Knipex Cobra 180s, that's something else that I got on the free shipping weekend. And then the last thing is in the box that Matt HMM sent me. So again, appreciate it, buddy. Appreciate you sending me this out. I'm pretty sure I know what's in there, but you never know with Matt. He might have thrown some other stuff in there as well. I actually sent it to him and told him I was thinking about getting them, but I decided not to. And I think he went ahead and picked them up for me. Make sure there isn't any other stuff in here. Another bit of thanks. So I ended up with 3 bits of thanks over the free shipping weekend. There's the paperwork. Yeah, so box is empty. Throw that off to the side. And then we'll get into what was in the box, which is the Felo made in Germany, the 3-piece Felo wood handle screwdriver set. You know, I'd always told him I've been looking for some wood handle screwdrivers. I'd love to get like some wood handle or wood ball handle vessel screwdrivers if they would ever make some. But these are kind of, the Felo and Vera screwdriver handles are a lot alike to me. And so he sent me these out. I think these were like on sale for 15 bucks. And so again, with the free shipping, that made it not that bad. If you had to spend 15 bucks on some screwdrivers and then you end up spending a bunch of other stuff, then that's what you kind of get into. But it's got different color wood up here on the top, a little bit darker. That's what all of them look like as far as looking down on them. So you don't really have the markings on them. But again, it's kind of that, it's a Felo handle, reminiscent to me of a Vera handle, but it's got that wood feel to it. This one comes with a slotted 5.5 by 100. Also a Phillips number 1 by 80. They also have this little hex feature right here as well. And then a Phillips number 2 by 100 also. But Felo makes some pretty nice screwdrivers. Got some wood handles on them. Just something to add to my screwdriver collection. You guys know that I'm a big screwdriver fan. I don't have really any other wood handle screwdrivers. I've been looking for them in different ones. Again, the ultimate one would be Vessel. Make some ball handle wood screwdrivers. I'd really love to have a set of those. But appreciate it, Matt. Appreciate you sending these out to me. But that was something else that was picked up for me on the KC Tool free shipping weekend. But there you go, guys. There is my KC Tool free shipping weekend haul. Again, nothing fantastic and awesome, like, you know, just breathtaking as far as a tool. But I've actually been wanting a pair of these 180 Cobra jaw protectors for quite some time. So I'm glad I finally pulled the trigger on those. I think the Pika Scribe is going to come quite useful. I think it's going to be something that's going to be interesting. I'm curious to see how long that tip holds out. The vessel or the harpoon bit, I'm sure I'll get some use out of that. That's not going to be an everyday thing for me. Screwdrivers are just going to be something that's going to be nice for me to look at out here in the garage. And then the only one that's kind of a little bit disappointing to me is the Vera, and that's only just because it's not really going to work the way that I thought it was going to. I thought I was going to be able to buy another one of these and kind of fold that around, but that doesn't seem like that's going to work. Unless I'm doing something completely wrong, but I'm not seeing it. But there's lots of stuff out there maybe that I'll buy something in the big scheme of things that hooks onto here later at some point in time, or just do something else with it altogether. But again, those are the things that I picked up. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any of these, what you think of them. I'm sure some of these have been out for quite some time. They're not new. They were just cheap, and I was able to get them with free shipping, so that's why I ended up picking them up. But let me know what your favorite thing is out of the things that I picked up. As always, I hope this video was helpful. Hope it was useful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.